Metabolism. The pathway, a metabolic pathway constitutes a series of enzymatic reactions to produce a specific product. That is the enzymatic reactions to produce a specific product. The term metabolite is applied to substrate or intermediate or a product in the metabolic reactions. For example, A, B, it gives the product C. Metabolite is the term is applied to substrate or any intermediate or product. Metabolism is broadly divided into mainly two categories. That one is anabolism and another one is catabolism. Catabolism and anabolism. Like phototrophs, plants and bacteria, they require free energy from sun through a photosynthesis, a process in which light energy powers the endergonic reactions of carbon dioxide and water to form complex molecules like carbohydrates and oxygen. Catabolism or degradation, in which nutrients and cell constitutes are broken down exergonically to salvage their compartments and to generate the free energy. Anabolism or biosynthesis, in which biomolecules are synthesized from simpler compounds to larger compounds. This is exergonic reaction. This is endergonic reaction. Exergonic reaction. This is endergonic reactions. Releases energy. This is use energy. Use energy. And both are metabolic pathway are the irreversible. Catabolism and anabolism pathway must differ. A striking characteristic of degradative metabolism is that it converts a large numbers of diverse substances like carbohydrates, and lipids, proteins to common intermediates. These intermediates are then further metabolized into central oxidative pathway that termed few end products. These complex molecules form the intermediates. These these intermediates for final end product. ATP and NADPH are the source of the free energy for the biosynthetic reactions. They generate through the degradation of complex metabolites. Example here. ATP plus NADP responds to the ATP and NADPH. This one it is a simple product. Simple products. Here it is the perform the biosynthesis. Here it is the anabolism takes place. Anabolism, that means it needs energy. Energy is required. Energy required to form or liberated ADP. Then again degradation takes place. Degradation takes place to form ATP. Here it is the energy gained. That one energy stored or energy gained. This is called as the metabolism. Next, coming to the overview of the catabolism. Here it is the complex metabolites, that is proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids are the carbon metabolites. Their monomers is the amino acid, glucose, and fatty acids, glycerol. Amino acids for monomer of proteins, glucose is monomeric form of carbohydrate, and fatty acid glycerols are monomeric compounds of lipids. These monomeric units enters into the catabolism. Example, glucose is enters into the glycolytic pathway. It forms the pyruvate, and from pyruvate to it directly enters to the citric acid cycle through the intermediate acetyl CoA. This amino acids it is directly enters to the converted to the pyruvate, or it is converted to the acetyl CoA, and it releases the amine group NH3. Here it is the fatty acids and glycerols is directly converted to the protein pyruvate, and it is also directly converted to the acetyl CoA by using some enzymes. Here it is the glucose. Here it is a glucose is converted to the pyruvate through glycolytic pathway. It uses ADP and NAD plus, and it releases the ATP and NADH. This NADH it is then again synthesized from citric acid cycle. Here also acetyl-CoA is converted to the carbon dioxide through the citric acid cycle. Here also NAD plus and FAD by using this to form NADH and FADH2. This NADH and FADH2 it is used to the production of ATP. This is the final product. Here it is the water and ATP is the final product. In this one it is called as the oxidative phosphorylation. Oxidative phosphorylation. Here acetyl CoA oxidized by citric acid cycle to form the carbon dioxide. This is the important and reduction of NADH and FAD to form the NADH2. It is reduced reduction takes place. Here it is the reoxidation of these later coenzymes by the oxygen via ETC, that is electron transport chain, and oxidative phosphorylation to yield the O2 and ATP. Here it is the intermediates. Intermediates. Here it is oxidized takes place. Here it is the ETC, electron transport chain, from complex molecules to monomers, monomeric or simpler to the intermediates. It releases the ATP and plus water. Metabolic pathway in eukaryotic cells occurs in any specific locations. The compartmentation of the eukaryotic cell allows the different metabolic pathways to operate in different locations. For example, ATP is mainly generated in the mitochondria. ATP is mainly generated in where mitochondria. But much of it is utilized in the cytoplasm. Like this, in mitochondria takes place citric acid cycles, electron transport chain, and the oxidative phosphorylation, fatty acid oxidation, amino acid breakdown. These all takes place in the mitochondria. In cytosol is the glycolysis, pentose phosphate pathway, fatty acids, biosynthesis, many reactions of the gluconeogenesis. In lysosome, enzymatic digestion of cell components and the ingested matters. In nucleus, DNA replication and transcription of RNA process. Golgi apparatus, post-translation processing of membrane and the secretory proteins, formation of the plasma membrane and the secretory vessels. In rough endoplasmic reticulum, that one is RER, endoplasmic reticulum, synthesis of the membrane-bound and the secretory proteins. Secretory proteins where it is takes place in rough endoplasmic reticulum. In smooth endoplasmic reticulum, lipids and the steroids biosynthesis takes place. In peroxisomes, oxidative reactions can catalyzed by the amino acid oxidase and the catalase. Glycosylate cycle reactions in plants. Glycosylate cycles in plants, these are in animals. ATP coenzyme ADH. ATP adenosine triphosphate. ATP is the energy form stored in cells. You see, this is called energy form stored in cell. The role of ATP is the phosphoryl transfer agent. ATP adenosine triphosphate. Here it is present three phosphate groups. The role of the ATP is transfer of phosphate group. So it is called as the phosphoryl transfer agent. That is breaking up ATP forms ADP plus inorganic phosphate, then needs 32 no 31 31 kilojoule per mole. 31 kilojoule of energy required to break one molecule of ATP to form the ADP and inorganic phosphate. For ATP to AMP, how much required to inorganic phosphate? How much required? 31 into 2, that is 62 kilojoule per mole. ATP consists of a adenosine moiety to which three phosphoryl groups, that is PO3, 2 minus, three phosphoryl groups are sequentially linked via the phosphoester bond. Here one phosphate, here one phosphate, here one phosphate. This linkage it is called as the phosphoester bond by two phosphohydrate bonds. Here, here. Double 40, double 3, double 2, 7, it is the adenine group. CH2. It is H. This is the adenine group. This is the sugar. This is the phosphate group. Here it is the alpha phosphate, beta phosphate, and gamma phosphate. These bonds are called phosphorus to oxygen. In between that bond, it is called as the phosphohydrate linkage. Phosphohydrate bond. This bond is called phosphohydrate bond. This sugar to phosphate group, this bond it is called as the phosphoester bond. Phosphoester bond.